Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. Pace bowler into the attack. Has a new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Good shot for a single. Can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Hammered away for four. Good placement. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything he loses. Turned away for a single. everyone. This kind of a fielding effort is really not going to help them. Disappointed with himself there. You really need to be on your toes at this level while fielding. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Good shot for a single. Excellent running between the wickets. Drop, and the ball just slipped through his fingers, and there's nothing he can do about it now. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. Gorgeous shot, found the middle of the bat there. He's not going to miss out on those. Turned away for a single. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. But that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. Surface for the bowlers, but it's also good for batting. That's gone high. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Place into the gap, possible too. Excellent a single or a two if they run well. Hammered away for four. Good placement. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Played into the gap, should be able to run two here. Be interesting to see what pace he'll bowl at. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Good shot for a single. That's a quick throw, right on top of the stumps. Well, you can sense something is going to happen here. The bowler not allowing the batsman to free his arms. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's four more. It looks in good batting form. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Looks like he enjoys pace on the ball. Looks more confident when there's pace on the ball. Well placed into the gap, possible two. Not acceptable. This is just not right. Basic misfield like this can really cost them a lot. Oh, that's a very confident shot. Oh, that doesn't look like a good call. And yes, that's run out. The field inside is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Definitely feel let down by the effort. Fielders are expected to support the bowler. Need to keep things really tight. Turned away for a single. Absolutely perfect throw. side looks warmed up and ready to go. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Bolden, very first ball, terrific delivery. And there comes the famous salute. Wonderful to watch. The close-in fielder should be on their toes to ensure that the batsman stays on strike. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Impressed by the field sets by the captain is making the batsman play false shots. Good shot for a single. Beautiful placement. He knows exactly where the fielders are. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. We should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Got him! That's a loose shot by the batsman. Masterful batting. Such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Good pickup shot this. Has that gone for a six? Yes, it has. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Shot and the fielder pulls off a beauty. Side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a six. time that well as you'd have liked. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. He's very lucky to get away with that one. That's skillful bowling. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Spinner back, I think that's a good move. But that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. That's fiery from the bowler. There is a little bit of the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. Good bowling, it beats them all, ends up. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing the batsman's head. Oh, that's a beautiful delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. That's the beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Oh, beats the edge, and the batsman has played all around that one. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Oh, that's a beautiful delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Bowled, perfect from the bowler. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. They need more boundaries now to make up for their slow start. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing the batsman's head. Wow, he's picked the bowls of that one. He didn't get any timing on that one. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Oh, Oh, that's found the edge of the bat. Good delivery. Oh, that's good delivery right on the money. Concentration there. Oh, that's a beautiful delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line with the ball. Good shot for a single. Very important to keep wickets in hand because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Beautiful place when he knows exactly where the fielders are. Last ball coming up. That's high in the air. Exceptional. What a catch. Full marks for the catch. To defend their total, they've won the victory.